Hi friends, in this video let's see how to use index and match function in Excel. This is a powerful combination of two functions in Excel that can be used to retrieve data from table. It is often used as an alternative to VLOOKUP function and has some good advantages over it. Let's go into the video. Let's see this one by one. First, let's take a look at VLOOKUP function, then index and match function separately, and see how it works when combined together. VLOOKUP is used to search a value in a table and then return the corresponding value from the same row. It stands for vertical lookup. This is the formula for VLOOKUP, and let's say a quick example in it. Let's say we need to find the sales value for whatever order ID in this cell. Let's use the VLOOKUP formula equal to VLOOKUP open bracket. We need to select the lookup value. This is the lookup value, comma, table array. This would be the table array, and the column index is the index of output column number in the selected range. This is our output column, and the number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's insert 5, and then we need our value to be exact match. You can give true or false, or 1 or 0. 0 for the exact match, and click enter. OI 70. In the row, the sales value is 88.074. We got our output. Index function will give us the value of the cell if we give the row number and column number from the selected range. Let's say we need to get this value. Let me color this. This will be our range, and the column number would be 5 and the row number would be also 5. Let's go and use the index function to get that value equal to in index, select the array, and the row number is 5 and the column number is also 5. Close the bracket, enter. We got our value. And let's take a look at match function. Match function gives us the relative position of the search item in the selected range. Let's say we need to get the row number for this particular order ID. Let's use match function for it, equal to match, open bracket, the lookup value, comma, and the lookup array would be this column, and we want it to be the exact match. Click enter. It is showing the 18th row. Yep, we got the row number. This is how you use the match and index function. Separately, they are pretty much useless, but when we combine these two functions, it is a very highly powerful function. It is used as an alternative function for VLOOKUP, since VLOOKUP would use more memory and it is a slow process, whereas index match is faster than VLOOKUP. So mostly people would prefer index and match over VLOOKUP. Let's take a look at the combined index and match function. In index function, to get the value, we need to have the array. This would be the array, and the row number and column number. Let's say we got the row number, and we need to get the column number, which would be 5. Let's use another match function to get the column number. Match lookup value would be total sales, since it's a text, I am entering it in double quotes, and this would be the array, and we need an exact match. 0, close the bracket and enter. Got the row number and column number using match function. Let's combine all these functions together and use it as an alternative for VLOOKUP. Index, open bracket, the array. This is the array, and we use the match function to get the number. Match, open bracket, lookup value, repeat this, and lookup array will be this. Should be an exact match. Close the bracket, comma, we need to get the column number. Let's again use the match function. Match, lookup value would be total 6, close the double quotes, comma, lookup array, comma, we need an exact match. Close the bracket, again close the bracket for index, enter. We got our same output as the VLOOKUP. Index function is much better than VLOOKUP, so try to use index function more in your work. Since index and match function is more advantage than VLOOKUP, to overcome this, Microsoft has introduced a new function called XLOOKUP. It is more simple and has more advantages than these two functions, but it is not currently available in Excel 2019. It is available in Office 360. If you have Office 360, please try it out. I will attach the formula in the description of this video also for XLOOKUP. Try out more examples using index and match function. To get the grasp of it, use small data set so it would be more easy to understand before going to the larger data sets. Thank you.